Welcome to Guna House Ideas. Today, we take you on a journey through some of the most iconic mid-century modern homes ever built. These architectural masterpieces, known for their clean lines, open spaces, and seamless indoor-outdoor connection, continue to inspire designers and homeowners alike. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below on which home is your favorite. Now let's dive in. First on our list is the legendary Kaufmann House, designed by Richard Neutra in 1946. This stunning home, set in the California desert, is a perfect example of modernist architecture blending with nature. Its glass walls and flat plains create a seamless transition between the indoors and the breathtaking landscape of Palm Springs. Ludwig Mies van der Rohe's Farnsworth House, built in 1951, is a masterpiece of simplicity and elegance. This all-glass structure, elevated on stilts, allows for an uninterrupted connection with nature. The minimalist design showcases Mies van der Rohe's famous principle: less is more. Designed in 1949 by the legendary duo Charles and Ray Eames, the Eames House is a testament to innovation and practicality. As part of the Case Study House program, this home was built using prefabricated materials, creating a functional yet artistic living space. Its bold colors and industrial aesthetic make it one of the most recognizable mid-century modern homes. Perched high in the Hollywood Hills, the Stahl House, also known as Case Study House No. 22, is an architectural marvel. Designed by Pierre Koenig in 1960, this home features floor-to-ceiling glass walls that offer panoramic views of Los Angeles. Its dramatic setting and striking design have made it a favorite among photographers and filmmakers. Philip Johnson's Glass House, completed in 1949, is an exercise in architectural purity. This home, located in New Canaan, Connecticut, is made almost entirely of glass, allowing natural light to flood the space while creating a deep connection with the surrounding landscape. It remains one of the most influential modernist structures ever built. Designed by Eero Saarinen in 1957, the Miller House in Indiana is a perfect example of mid-century modern elegance. Featuring an open floor plan, sunken conversation pit, and beautifully designed interiors, this home embodies both sophistication and comfort. The landscape design by Dan Kiley further enhances its charm. Built in 1922 by Rudolf Schindler, the Schindler House in West Hollywood is considered one of the first modernist homes in the United States. With its open layout, exposed concrete walls, and sliding panels, this revolutionary design paved the way for future mid-century modern homes. Designed by Walter Gropius in 1938, the Gropius House in Massachusetts merges Bauhaus principles with American residential architecture. The combination of glass, wood, and industrial materials creates a striking balance between function and aesthetics, making it an important part of mid-century design history. Designed by Richard Neutra in 1929, the Lovell House in Los Angeles was one of the earliest examples of modernist residential architecture. Its steel-frame construction and large glass panels were groundbreaking for their time, influencing countless architects in the decades to follow. These iconic homes continue to inspire architects, interior designers, and homeowners around the world. Their timeless appeal, innovative designs, and seamless integration with nature make them architectural treasures. Which of these mid-century modern homes is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more interior design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.